video. This is me, Kathy, and I got a new pet today. Her name is Spicy, and she's a cockatiel, but she's also a bird. Spicy, come on here. She's just 4 months old, and she's just a baby, and so we hand feed her. Yeah, she's a cockatiel breed. I'll take her out. Oh, come on. We teach her how to climb out of it. Come on. Good job. Look, this is her. She sometimes bites and she makes noises to get out of there. She always makes noises because she always wants to get out. We don't do that because or she'll have a habit, so we need to not bring her a cage ever again. So that will happen. That's why. Spicy, don't do that. Spicy's very cute. Very cute, isn't it? If you want, and we got her far away from Norwich. If anyone is in Norwich, comment down below, because she is very cute. And some of the people has cockatiels, and my dad once had it in Dubai, but when he got here, he left it with another friend. That's what happened. Isn't it right, Spicy? This is a new Spicy. We named her Spicy because my dad's Spicy was the Spicy name. So, to remember the old Spicy, we named her Spicy, isn't it? She's very cute. Say hi to the camera. Hi. She's very cute. Now we are gonna show the routine, what we do with Spicy. Come on. First we feed some food, and we give her a rest like we did today. And now we are gonna play with her. After that, we are going to give her another rest. So, she likes it. And my dad made lots of things for her. See, look at that. That's a swing for her. There's another tiny swing for her. If she's a girl, when she grows up, she'll get an egg, right? That baby could ride in that tiny one. And she needs a lot of space right there. She's just 4 months old, as I was saying. See, she made a noise. Say hi to the camera. Hi. Hi. She likes the camera. Look, I'm gonna hand feed her. Don't bite me, like this. Good girl. Ouch! Don't do that. Here. Look at her eating it. Do you know what she eats? She eats seeds and sunflower seeds and many types of things, but you shouldn't give her what human stuff do, or it's not good for their diet. Don't spill it right there. Spicy! Don't do that, Spicy. Don't bite me. Good girl, very good girl. That's not for standing on, for eating on. She's already eating something. Luckily, they can taste. If they can't taste, they don't know anything. And if I got sequins and he's biting it, but he knows if it's not his food because he can taste like humans. When he tastes, he knows what to eat. Luckily, they have their special brains. They actually don't have brains, but they know. So when I give him this, they know is her food. If it's human food, they can luckily spit it out because they have taste, as I told. Like sunflower seeds. Hey, don't. Eat this. I think he's food. For watching my video, subscribe for watching more videos. Bye, I love you.